गुरुर् ब्रह्म गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वराय गुरुर् साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Welcome to the Sapiens School, Harbatpur. The Sapiens School, Harbatpur pride itself on the quality and of its education programs, its professionalism of its staff, and the enthusiasm of its students. And I must say, the supportive system of the dear one parents of our school. Our school motto is CARE. CARE stands for commitment, for learning, accepting responsibilities, respect for self and for the society, excellence in all we do. So now I will take you all into our school ambience.
Education is about awakening towards our own power and beauty which lies hidden within ourselves. Hello everyone. The Sapiens School Harbatpur is committed to help its students to find out their latent talents along with developing their academic excellence. Sapiens School has promised to transform the academics from a dull and monotonous activity to a cheerful, vibrant and pleasant one. For this, the child is motivated to understand the concepts of the subjects instead of rote learning. I thank you everyone. Thank you very much.
We are not bound our students for any specific games and sports. In fact, we give them plenty of options in front of them to choose what they like the most because we believe in overall development of our students in maintaining their physical and mental health as well.
Good morning. The Sapien School is very amazing. It is just like the second home for my son. There are many curricular and co-curricular activities in this school, which are perfectly balanced with the studies. Teachers are very caring, efficient, and providing personal attention to each student. Overall, my son enjoys the Sapien School. Cheers to the principal ma'am and the management team. I wish them all the success. Thank you.
What I love most about this school is the syllabus of students completed on time, which give more emphasis on the revision, and it helps our child to score good marks in examination. Apart from curricular activities, they are very well in co-curricular activities also. They include all the co-scholastic area, whether it is excursion tour, whether it is activities outside or inside the campus. I feel that our child gain lots of things from this school.
Our school library is a structure that houses a collection of books, audio-visual content, and many more. Our library is spacious, where our students in their free periods go for self-studies.
Education is not about learning of facts but train young minds to think, because there is a big difference between cramming of facts and learning them. Here at Sapien School, we encourage our students to think out of the box and help them to build their critical and analytical thinking skills so that they can differentiate between right and wrong and take right decisions always in their future.
I welcome you all to our wonderland, that is our kindergarten, where our kids, our teeny toddlers, going to experience how to interact with a bunch of kids. Our teacher is going to encourage each and every kids of kindergarten to play together, to eat together, to laugh together, and most importantly to cry together.
Good morning, all of you. School are the natural magnet of social and cultural activities. In Sapien School, we organize so many activities like poster making competitions, painting competitions, rangoli competition, and mehendi competitions, and many more. Through this activity, we try to bring students more closer to their culture and their society. Thank you.
School labs are a great place for a student to enhance their theoretical knowledge. Our school labs are well maintained with different kinds of equipment which are used during experiments.
Has contributed a lot in my development and growth. I would like to share my experience with the school. When I entered the school in 9th class, I was kind of shy and timid personality. But now when I just see myself in 11th class, I've been upgraded and I've experienced a change in myself. My speaking skills have been enhanced, as in the extracurricular activities that take place here till today are very helpful for the students, and that was all possible because of the efforts of the faculties and the school. Thank you.
I feel very comfortable in any situation because of my teachers, as they promoted me to be confident in every situation. I have groomed myself a lot. My speaking skills are improved. I feel more confident now and I can speak anywhere without any hesitation now. Thank you.
Frankly speaking, I was not good at oratory, but by the support of our teacher, competition organized by a school and even our assembly also helped us to develop this skill.
Streaming means to divide students as per their capabilities in different streams, and in our school we have science, commerce and humanities. Students usually tend to confuse while choosing their streams. For that, we organize various career counseling sessions so that student can choose their streams properly. Thank you.
Education is not the learning of facts. It is the training of mind to think. At last, I would like to appreciate our management committee who are always there to enlighten us, guide us and motivate us. I hope that our school is going to give more to the society as well as the student of our school to development their skills, their inner strength. Thank you so much.